council members, call them up, ask to meet with them, tell them that you're a voter who lives in their district. They can't get reelected without you. Let them know that this is something that you care about. Last, I'm sure you guys know, elections matter. How many of you guys are registered to vote? Raise your hand. Alright, if you look around and you see somebody here who is not registered to vote, I want you to get their phone number and bug them to register to vote until they do it. Right? Because that is how we build our political power, is by voting.
Jesus, people always hold signs but not
The
vegans.
power that, say, hunters have, or dairy farms have. They have that power because they have a massive voting bloc. Elected officials are afraid of the dairy industry. They're afraid of hunters because hunters and dairy farmers show up to vote. We are going to replicate that.
Oh, really? Well,
That kind of voting bloc is so valuable. We have our numbers, we have everybody here, but we need to make sure that everybody's getting registered to vote and everybody is showing up for elections that they're voting their elected officials accountable. I think that's all I got. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you, speakers, so very much for being here, and thank you for all that you do. We appreciate all your efforts. Thank you. I just want to remind anybody who pre-ordered a shirt and has not picked it up, they are over here on this end. Where are you? Because there's quite a few that are prepaid and they're waiting for you. I'm happy to announce that the extras that we had to sell here are all gone. And thank you for those that have purchased, because that was our fundraiser. So if you haven't picked up your shirt, please report over here to pick up your shirt. All right, everybody, after this, it's time to hit the streets.
Gonna do the march in a minute.
Unfortunately, I have to say, hit the sidewalk. I need to remind you that the NYC has asked us to follow our route on the sidewalk today. But do not fret, next year when there are 1,000 of us gathered here, we will take to the streets. So let's make sure that happens next year. Okay, I just want to quickly remind you of the chants if you did not see them on the event page.
Hey, Philly. How you doing, brother?
Well, we are going to be moving over here to 42nd Street. We're making a left up to Broad.